Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this episode. It's all about pieces I've thrifted and upcycled for my recent holiday. So I actually found this shirt from a charity store for only $3 and I fell madly in love with the color. But honestly, I thought the shape was pretty average and it felt quite plain. So I'm going to show you how to change the shape as well as add something a little extra to give it that wow factor. All right, let's get making. I see so many of these collared shirts whenever I go thrifting, and when I saw this one in the men's section at a charity shop, I was really drawn to the cherry red color. If you've been following me along for a while now, probably for at least 2 years, you'll know that I'm absolutely obsessed with all different shades of red, and so it was absolutely no surprise that I'd brought this one home. It was an oversized fit and I was really happy with that for a while, but after I realized that I had only worn it a couple of times, I began to wonder if there was something that I could do to improve the shape and maybe add something a little extra to give it that wow factor. So what I decided to do was to remove a big chunk of fabric off the bottom and I sewed down a new hem. After that, I decided to get rid of the pockets altogether. I didn't love them. I felt that it really made the top quite outdated, and it was at this point I started getting a really cool idea. I wanted to embroider 2 hearts onto the front of the top using pearl beads. So I made a heart template. I printed out 2 different sized hearts and pinned them to the top. I tried on the top a couple of times, which really helped me choose the size of the heart and to get the positioning of the hearts right, because I didn't want the hearts to sit too low or high above my bust. And following this, I used fabric chalk to trace around the hearts. After this, I embroidered pearl beads along the chalk lines using a needle and cotton thread. I've got to be honest, it did take me a little while to figure out how to secure the pearl beads so they wouldn't move around. And after a bit of trial and error, I decided to thread 2 pearls at a time and then secure them down by feeding the needle through the fabric. And then I would push the needle back through the fabric at the top of the 3rd bead from the line of pearls. Then I would feed the thread through 3 pearls and not just the 2 I sewed down, and then I would start the process all over. I found threading 2 beads at a time, but securing 3 of them made the line of pearls very firm and secure. This is such a cute way to breathe new life into secondhand shirts. It's also a great reminder to keep checking out the men's section in thrift stores because they always have the best shirts. I always look for color first and then fit. This project is also perfect for a crafternoon session with your friends and you don't need any sewing experience. If you'd like to recreate this project, I have created a heart template which you'll find in the description below and you can download and print it for free. Happy making!